Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Following are the major headlines for today. Nationals in Israel express resolve to strengthen unity and contribution. Training on social science to 61 youth in the northern Red Sea region. Europe's summer 2022 heat waves killed 61,000 people, according to studies. And US and Israel start joint military exercise. On your local reports, nationals in Israel expressed resolve to strengthen unity and organizational capacity and contribution in the national development drives. The nationals expressed a commitment at a public seminar organized in Tel Aviv. At the seminar, Mr. Solomon Kinfe, charge d'affaires at the Eritrean embassy in Israel, gave extensive briefing on the objective situation in the homeland, as well as regional and global developments and role of diaspora nationals in the nation-building process. The participants conducted extensive discussion on the issues raised at the seminar and adopted various recommendations. On your last local report, the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the northern Red Sea region organized social science training program to 61 youth, including 25 females from the subzones of Afabet, Nafa, and Garura. The training included basic concept of nation and nationalism, information technology, as well as youth and environmental protection. At the conclusion event of the training organized on 7 July, Mr. Takhla Zer'a, head of political and organizational affairs of the Union branch, said that the training program was part of the effort to develop the overall capacity of the youth and commended the interest the trainees demonstrated during the program. The trainees also conducted environmental sanitation, planting tree seedlings, and tour to historical trenches in the vicinity of Afabet. Speaking at the occasion, Mr. Ahmed Mohammed Nur Rajib, administrator of Afabet subzone, called on the trainees to apply the training they received in the nation-building process and become exemplary to fellow youths. Dear viewers, do stay with us for your international reports after the short break. Welcome back. More than 61,000 people died due to the heat during Europe's record-breaking summer last year. A study said on Monday, which called for more to be done to protect against even deadlier heat waves expected in the coming years. The world's fastest warming continent experienced its hottest summer on record in 2022 as countries were hit by blistering heat waves, crop-withering droughts, and devastating wildfires. The European Union's statistics agency Eurostat had reported an unusually high number of excess deaths over the summer, but the amount directly linked to the heat had not been previously quantified. A team of researchers looked at data on temperatures and mortality from 2015 to 2022 for 823 regions across 35 European countries, covering a total of 543 million people. The researchers from the Barcelona Institute for Global Health and France's Health Research Institute, INSERM, used models to predict the deaths attributable to temperature for each region in every week of 2022 summer. They estimated that 61,672 deaths were linked to the heat between May 30 and September 4 last year, and that a particularly intense heat wave in the week of July 18 to 24 caused more than 11,600 deaths alone. On today's final report, United States and Israeli forces have started joint military exercises in Israel as the two countries deepen security cooperation amid tensions with Iran. The Israeli military said on Monday that the drills will incorporate a number of scenarios, including long-range strategic striking. For its part, the Central Command of the U.S. military, which oversees operations in the Middle East, said the joint training, part of an exercise series dubbed Juniper-O, shows the U.S. commitment to Israel's defense. The exercise comes less than a week after Israeli forces raided the Jenin refugee camp in the occupied West Bank with air attacks and hundreds of troops, killing at least 12 Palestinians. But the Israeli and U.S. statements suggested that the exercise was focused on Iran. The administration of U.S. President Joe Biden has criticized the far-right Israeli government of Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu in recent weeks of expanding illegal settlements in the West Bank. Washington has also denounced the increasing settler violence against Palestinians. However, U.S. officials regularly voice ironclad support for Israel. Dear viewers, that was all with your domestic and international reports, and now a quick recap of the major headlines. Nationals in Israel express resolve to strengthen unity and contribution. Training on social science to 61 years in the northern Red Sea region. Europe's summer 2022 heat waves killed 61,000 people according to studies. And U.S. and Israel start joint military exercise. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good one.